Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to discuss Raag Desh. This is a very beautiful raga. If you have heard Vande Matram, definitely you have heard based on this Desh raga. Many of the songs is based on this raga Desh. So today we will learn the basic of Raga Desh. I will definitely share with you notes. In this tutorial, you will understand the Arahan, Abarahan, Pakad and the basic informations and a bit Alap of Raag Desh. Very brief introductions. Always remember, in this Raag Desh, Shuddhani and Komalni both will be in use. Okay, not only one knee, both the knee will be in use. So the start, I'm sharing with the notes. This Raag Desh. Raag Desh Araha. Ni sa re ma pa ni sa. In this Araha, if you observe, ni sa re ma, then ga is not present in the Araha. Ma pa dha, dha is not present. So ga and da is varjit when you are going Araha. Avaraha. Sa re ni dha pa. Dha is present, but Shuddhani will be replaced by Komalni. Dha ma ga re. Dha ma ga re. Pa is not in use. Dha ma ga re. Ga Shuddhani sa. You may have asked me the question, sir. You told me that in Arahan, Shuddhani will be in use, in Avarahan, Komalni will be in use. But if you observe, Ga Shuddhani Sa. Why? Because it is, if you observe carefully, it is Ga Ni. If it is Go Pa, then the Komalni will be in use. But we are going Ga Shuddhani, then Sa. Then that's the reason the Shuddhani will be in use. This Thaat is Khamaj. I hope you have gone through my Thaat videos. Those are very important. Please take a look what are the how many thoughts and the description of this, so that it would be helpful for you. Now the jati of this raga is Aurab Sampurna, because we are removing these two notes when you go up, means which is ni sa gre ma pa, ga is varjit, dha is varjit. So there are, that is called Aurab, and coming down it is Sampurna. Okay, let me play it. Arahan, Avarahan and Pakad I played. Now I'll play a little Alap, so you feel comfortable. Raag Desh. So I hope you have understood how need to play Raag Desh, Arahan, Abarahan, and a Alap. Okay, okay. I will come up with you a next video with the bandish of Raag Desh. Raag Desh. See you. Bye bye.